and how the GOAT will be different from your previous films, and what are the challenges you faced while working in this film?
Basically, I mean, we work in every film with the same pattern only, sir. So in this film, it was the most challenging part was the time factor was the most challenging part in this film. I mean, we had to. I think in June we started writing, and in October we started filming. So in that 4 months, we have to write the script, screenplay, dialogues. We have to see the locations. We need to finalize the artists, and everything has to go in 4 months, and then we have to go for shoot. So that pre-production time was very less for me. But so we worked 24/7. There was no break. We worked 24/7 to make this film happen because in lot of VFX is involved. So when we started the film, we went to LA, USA. And we started it there with scanning Vijay sir and stuff like that. So technically, it's a very tough film to make, and we made it. And thanks to my team, thanks to my DOP Siddharth and my editor Venkat and VFX team. Everybody worked day night, and all my ADs, all my assistant directors, they're all still working there. And so it wouldn't have been possible otherwise. It's even the production, they're all there working now 24/7. Nobody slept for the last, I don't know, 2-3 months. We didn't sleep at all. And I couldn't even talk to Sneha, Lyra madam. They called and they're like scolding me for not picking up the call and not getting back to them because it was a hectic 2 months of work. So it's completely tensed. And now we are very happy. Now we gave the output already. And now we're just eagerly waiting for your reactions.
Yeah, namaste Sneha ma'am. This is Madhav here. Hi.
Hi, Andy.
Yeah, what inspired you to take this role on the greatest of all the time? Could you please tell us about your character and what makes it unique?
Raita Madri. Okay. But first is VP Garu. When he explained the story, it was very exciting కనిపించింది నాకు. And I had a role to play. It is not just an actor who just comes and goes. I had something to do in the film, which is nowadays అది కొంచెం తక్కువ అయింది కదా. I felt that was very key point for the film, which I had to play. And definitely ఇంత పెద్ద ఫిల్మ్లో వేర్ కల్పతి సార్ is there and 25th film ఇంత స్టార్ కాస్ట్, and who will say no to it when you have a good role to play.
And Talapati sir TVK party is going could you please tell us something about the TVK party, how it is going to different from other regional political parties in Tamil Nadu?
I think ఈ ప్రెస్ మీట్ వచ్చి మన గోట్ కో కాబట్టి what he said?
Yeah, your wishes to Talapati sir or something about
స్పోక్
TVK.
పర్సన్ అదా ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి మన గోట్ గురించి మాత్రం మాట్లాడాలి, తర్వాత అది గురించి నేను అప్డేట్ ఇస్తా.
Okay ma'am.
Archana ma'am.